Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. If you have been following me on the channel, you know I uploaded a video on how I achieved this big afro and I did a tutorial of it. That was my last upload. I'm going to have it linked in the description bar down below, so you can check that out if you want to see how I did this crochet style. It was only, I think the pack of hair, I only used one pack of hair, and the pack of hair was like, I think about $8, but anyways, it's less than $10 and I absolutely love it, guys. Like, I love it so much. I just want to show you guys the different ways I've been styling it. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you again for coming back. Please help me grow the channel by sharing the video if you enjoy it, and share it with someone who you think might also enjoy it. So I'm just going to get into this. I made it on purpose this way because I knew I wanted to wear a middle part most of the time anyways, and I like the way it falls this way. So this is one of the styles that I wear it. So the other way I've been wearing it is by pulling it up. I did leave out hair around the perimeter of my head because I wanted to be able to pull it up in a ponytail. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how I do it. So at the back here, like, the hair is open. It's not braided or anything like that. And at the front here I have like a braid, or you can do a flat twist if you want to. It's an old braid, but it doesn't really matter. I'll probably accessorize it a little bit to make it look better. So I'm just going to tie it up using this piece that I actually cut from an old stocking. So it's a leg of an old stocking, and I'm just going to go on ahead and pull it up in a ponytail. So I just tie it up like so, and I make like a note at the back. You can use a black stocking. Actually, a black stocking will probably be preferable, but it doesn't show anyways because the puff is so big. So that's how I pull it up in a puff. The hair at the back, because my hair is kind of short at the back, I'm just going to take some bobby pins and just pull it up a little bit. But you can also just brush it, and if your hair is of course longer, then you can just pull it up into the ponytail at the back. But I'm going to use bobby pins just to pull my hair at the back up. And just to accessorize it a little bit, I'm going to add this gold thingies on my flat braid at the front. So I'll just put, I won't go overboard with it. I'll just put a few of them in there. If you have been following me on Instagram, then you did see a picture of me wearing this hairstyle already, but yeah. By the way, you can find me on Instagram at _YasserK, and I'm going to leave the link to my Instagram down below also, so you can check that out. So yeah, so there we have it. So I undid the flat braid that I had at the front, and this is pretty much how it looks like. So what I'm going to do is just pull it in a puff at the back like this. I don't want to put any gel or like age control in my hair right now, at least like the hair at the front, because it's going to be too much product in my hair and I don't want to wash it right now. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take a brush and just brush it back, and then that should be enough for me at the moment. It does not need to be so slick. I think the brush does a pretty good job of laying my hair at the front. You can of course use gel if that's what you want to, but at the moment I just don't want to wash my hair, so I will not put a lot of product into it. So I'm just going to take the trusted stocking again. I should probably use a black one at this moment because it's kind of going to show. So I'm trying to pull the puff at the back. I am quite happy with this. So I'm just going to accessorize it a little bit, and I'm going to use this what do you call this? I don't know, a headband kind of thing, and I'm just going to place it like so. Just to add a little bit like I don't know, like something extra. I think it looks cute. You can pull it up if you want it to really show. Didn't you love it, guys? Like, I just love this so much. Okay, so if you want it, you can take a scarf, obviously, and tie it. I'll probably just do a quick one and just show you guys a little bit. I'm just going to use this trusted scarf that I use for literally everything. And I want to tie it at the side